Is your skin looking dull and tired no matter what you try? Dreaming of that radiant, glowing skin but nothing seems to work? You're not alone. And the truth is, glowing skin is not just about expensive products. Today, we're breaking down simple, powerful skincare tips that actually work and can transform your skin from the inside out. The foundation of glowing skin is water. When your body is dehydrated, your skin appears dull, flaky, and tired. But drink enough water and your skin begins to flush out toxins, staying plump and radiant. Aim for at least 8 glasses or 2 to 3 liters a day, and more if you're active or in a hot climate. Also, include hydrating foods like cucumbers, oranges, watermelon, and leafy greens in your diet. Pro tip: start your day with warm lemon water. It aids digestion and detoxifies the skin from within. And don't forget to moisturize daily. Even oily skin needs hydration. Go for lightweight, non-comedogenic products. Cleansing removes dirt, oil, and pollutants, but overwashing or using harsh cleansers can strip your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. Use a gentle cleanser twice daily, once in the morning and once before bed. If you wear makeup or sunscreen, which you should, double cleanse at night. Look for ingredients like glycerin, aloe vera, or chamomile for a calming effect. Avoid alcohol-based or heavily fragranced products. They can irritate sensitive skin. And always pat your face dry with a soft towel. No rubbing, please. Your skin deserves gentleness. Dead skin cells build up and block your natural glow. That's why exfoliation is key. Use a gentle exfoliator 1 to 2 times a week to unclog pores and smooth skin texture. There are 2 types: physical exfoliants, scrubs with fine particles. Use carefully without aggressive rubbing. Chemical exfoliants like AHA's glycolic acid or BHA's salicylic acid. These work deeper and are often better for acne-prone or mature skin. Don't over-exfoliate. It can cause redness, breakouts, or sensitivity. Less is more when it comes to glowing skin. And always follow exfoliation with hydration and sunscreen. You can't glow on the outside if your body's struggling on the inside. A nutrient-rich diet is essential. Focus on healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds for moisture and elasticity, antioxidants from berries, dark chocolate, and green tea to fight free radicals, vitamins A, C, and E for collagen production and skin repair, omega-3s from fatty fish or flax seeds to reduce inflammation. Also, limit sugar and processed foods. They can trigger breakouts and dull your skin. Glowing skin starts in your gut, so take care of your digestion too. If there's only one skincare product you use, make it sunscreen. UV rays are the #1 cause of premature aging, dark spots, and skin damage. Even on cloudy days or indoors near windows, your skin is exposed. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher, and apply it every morning even if you're staying inside. Reapply every 2 to 3 hours if you're out in the sun. And yes, people with darker skin tones need sunscreen too. Consistent SPF use keeps your skin tone even, healthy, and youthful long-term. There you have it, 5 powerful, proven skincare habits that can help you achieve glowing, radiant skin naturally. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about consistency. Hydrate, cleanse gently, exfoliate mindfully, nourish from within, and protect daily with sunscreen. Your glow-up isn't just coming, it's already starting. Share your favorite skincare tip in the comments. Like this video, share it with a friend who needs a skin reset, and don't forget to subscribe to Fit Fuel Diaries for more beauty, fitness, and wellness content.